President, Excellencies and ladies and gentlemen, I just received, upon instruction from my government, I would like to bring a report to you, an urgent matter which poses a serious threat to our peace and security. The federal government of Somalia has exhausted all diplomatic means for the government of Kenya to refrain from actions that pose threat to historical relations between the two nations and the long-lasting economic and security political cooperations between the two governments and its citizens. Somalia believes that our region can best succeed with more cooperation and less interference. However, Kenya continues to be a consistent destabilizing force in Somalia's offsetting and negating its engagement in African Union peacekeeping mission, AMISOM. Kenya's brash interference in Somalia's domestic affairs is blatant breach of Somalia's sovereignty, territorial integrity, political independence, and unity. Furthermore, Kenya's continuous encroachment in the Somali's border areas outrightly undermines our stability and sovereignty. On our hard-earned progress with the help of the international community is today jeopardized by the negative anti-peace actions carried on by the Kenyan government. These destabilizing actions not only negatively impact Somalia, but they are antithesis to the objective of regional and global peace and clear violation of United Nations Article 2, Paragraph 4. Quote, all members shall refrain in their international relations from the threat or the use of force against territorial integrity or political independence of any state or any other manner inconsistent with the purpose of United Nations, unquote. The federal government of Somalia strongly condemns these blatant violations and reaffirms that it will take all necessary measures proceeding from its responsibility to defend the inviolability and sovereignty and the unity of the Somalia in accordance with our constitution as well as international law and covenants. The Kenyan government continues its destabilizing actions against our nation despite our multiple protests. If these aforementioned actions do not immediately cease, we will invoke United Nations Charter Article 35 and we will bring our case against Kenya's breach of Somali sovereignty, political independence, unity and territorial integrity to the United Nations Security Council. I thank you, Mr. President.